SEO-AI-Writer is an advanced software packed with various features. Today, we will demonstrate how to generate articles step by step using two major functions. This tutorial is quite brief and only covers the main functions. First, let's open the software. Assuming you have already activated the software through a license, you should be able to see the software window directly. We need to add at least one usable OpenAI key. SEO-AI-Writer supports third-party OpenAI keys, which are often more affordable. In this demonstration, we are also using a third-party OpenAI key. For a third-party OpenAI key, you need to input the chat API URL and the image generation URL, while the official OpenAI key does not require you to input these two fields. After entering the key, we click Add. You can also input multiple keys to prevent one key from being used frequently. With the communication to OpenAI, we successfully added this key to our list. Image generation is turned off by default. If you need to use DALL-E to generate images, you can enable it here. Next, we will make some article settings according to our preferences. We are setting the number of H2 headings to be 5. With 25% of the H2s containing H3 subheadings, which means approximately 1 or 2 H2 will have subheadings. We set the paragraph length to the shortest, because this is just a demonstration. You can set it to your preferred length. Next, set the subheadings titles to be displayed. Then, add an FAQ section. For the image section, we select to generate a featured image and subheading images. The featured image is used as the image for the entire article, which is a WordPress term. We then set the keyword density to 1.1. There are some other settings that I haven't mentioned, but they are not particularly difficult, so this video won't cover them. Once you are satisfied with all the settings, we then need to tell the software what article we want to generate. There are 3 modes here: providing a title, providing a relevant article you want to emulate, or providing a keyword to let the AI generate a topic for the article based on that keyword. Let's assume you have a specific title, so we select based on title. I paste the prepared title into the text box and then choose the target keyword as 2024, which ensures that the keyword density for 2024 matches our settings. Once everything is ready, we click Generate. The task will begin, and this will take some time since you will be communicating with the AI, which largely depends on the communication speed between you and OpenAI. It usually completes within 1 minute. We can see that SEO-AI-Writer first displays your title and keyword in the editing box. Here, we click Full Screen, which maximizes the editing box for easier operation, although you can also operate directly in the smaller window. In a short time, based on the provided topic, keyword, and relevant settings, the generated outline of the entire article will be displayed in the editing box. You can see that 2 H2s are followed by H3s, which matches our settings. Here, you can modify and edit the generated outline to match your ideas. For example, I can delete any H3 subheading under an H2. I can also click the Add button to add any content after a subheading. It can be an empty section for you to write on your own, or it can be a new part generated by the AI. Once you confirm that the article outline meets your requirements, we can click to generate the entire article content. Generating the whole article will take a bit longer, usually between 3 to 10 minutes. Let's switch out and wait for the process to complete.
A few minutes later.
Now, the entire article has been generated. Let's first look at the image section. 2 images have been generated, one for the featured image and one for an H2 image. If you want to generate more H2 images, you can set it yourself. This demonstration only shows one H2 image. What is displayed in the editing box is just the thumbnail of the image. We can click Preview to open and view the image content. Images can have various styles, which are set in the image settings. By clicking this S button, we open the image settings. We see that you can use some preset styles or customize a style. We are now viewing the entire article in full screen and making some modifications. For example, I add a custom content section under this H3 content. Then, I am not satisfied with it, so I delete it. Next, I find the article's introduction part, abbreviated as intro, which will appear at the very beginning of the main content. I make some edits to it. Edited content will show a small icon indicating that you have made changes. You may need some time to edit your article, but please don't forget to save your project. Otherwise, your work will be lost when you close the software. Once you save your project, you can load it at any time to resume your previous work. When you are satisfied with your article, you may want to output it to a file or publish it directly to your WordPress blog. Outputting is straightforward, so we won't go into detail here. For publishing to a blog, you need to add the blog you want to publish to. There is a how-to guide below this window, so please follow the instructions there. That's it for a basic operation guide. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.